Not to just simply doing a step, which is very, very simple, forward, side. So most important is to have that neutral position and to prepare, to charge yourself. If you high enough here, you can lift the heel up here to land this leg right under you. Now from here, when you return, make sure that this knee is straight. And again, you return to this position with the right leg super straight. And as you up here, stand just like that, just leave it there, two knees straight. Position is very picked up, not here, very picked up. And then you can roll your hips in that position. And again, come back to that neutral. And just by lifting the heel, just drop it under you. Don't try to reach it. Yes, I'll try to do it a little faster.
A little farther, or yeah, too close. Yeah,
okay. Look like this. And 2, 3, put your arm here so give you more sense of opposite arm and closeness. 3, 4, 1, 2 straight leg, faster. 2 and 3 and 4 and here. Hands again, you need to charge a little bit more. The net to net position here. Now this leg will stay, this will go forward. 1. And here counterbalance, Karina. Hip, hip.